Hello and greetings from Schoeps. I'm Helmut and I hope that you are doing all right in these strange times. At Schoeps we have continued our production and delivery, although currently with protective measures in place. We hope that our customers, who include countless freelancers and small studios, will find ways to keep working and will emerge from this crisis unharmed as much as possible. Especially during that time, we have seen what wonderful customers we have. Thank you. Well, now I'd like to talk about audio for video conferences and then focus on setups with microphones placed on tabletops, like as you see it here. And then I'd like to introduce our Cmc One miniature amplifier and an irresistible special set that includes it. Well, starting now with the video conferences and table setups. Social distancing has led to a greater number of video conferences and video presentations or YouTube videos being made in home environments. Unfortunately, the sound quality of many such productions falls below the level of studio productions. We all know that sound quality is very important for clarity and comprehension of information. But now these problems become obvious to everyone watching TV or attending a remote meeting via Skype or Zoom. The microphone is the piece of audio equipment with the greatest influence on sound quality. Built-in microphones in cell phones, tablets or laptops have got better in recent years, but it still makes a big difference if high-quality microphones are used, or it makes a difference how they are used. So on our website we have to put together a series of recommendations for these applications. Please take a look there. We roughly distinguish among three categories of applications for video conferences. These are microphones now placed on a table, like here. There's the microphone placement like that of a feature film, where the microphone is kept outside the visual frame. And there's the music recording style of recording, where the microphones are in the picture. Starting with the table. These days you can see that in video conferences and also TV interviews, there's much less use of a miniature body microphone, such as a lavalier microphone, because they don't want to mic the person. So we feel it is very important to offer an alternative, professional solution like a tabletop microphone, as you see it here. Our customers actually are requesting these amounts lately. For microphones on a table, we have just introduced a couple of new solutions, actually. Here we have the so-called T20 Table Stand. It's a small, tiny table stand where our new amplifier Cmc One fits best. And it's actually the variant of our existing well-known TC table stand, which is dedicated for the CCM microphones. For those who need an even more compact setup, we have developed this one-piece combination of a directional microphone plus a table stand, which is called the TIMK. So it's an integrated solution, not modular, and it's plug and play, so it requires almost zero setup time. And last not least, we have these kinds of solutions, so an elegant adjustable angle table stand. In this case, it's the TR table stand. It has a bit longer rod so that the distance to the speaker is a bit less. And actually, this is the microphone where we record right now. It is equipped with an MK41 Super Cardioid capsule. For tabletop use, it is very important that you use a microphone with a high directivity, because you need that reach to pick up a clear sound, even if the person speaking isn't very close to the microphone. Our microphone Capsule MK41 Super Cardioid is the ideal choice there. But also the MK4 Cardioid can be a suitable choice, especially when the person is speaking from off axis or moving a lot while speaking, because you see that you quite soon leave the optimal pickup angle of the 41. So the second category of video conference audio uses an approach like in film and or a video sound with microphone outside the frame. Schoeps microphones naturally are a good choice here because we are widely used in professional film and video applications. The MK41 as here on the boom, or the mini CMIT as you see it here, are a standard choice here. Thirdly, when it's all right for the microphone to be visible, for example in a music recording podcast, it can be a visible, nice looking and also large microphone. People actually enjoy seeing how the microphones are used. So naturally I would also recommend microphones like the V4, vintage looking studio microphone as you see it here. So now I want to talk quickly about the Cmc One Amplifier, which we introduced in September 2019. The Cmc One is the little brother of our well-known Cmc 6 amplifier. And since its introduction, it has quickly become one of our best-liked products. It offers Schoeps quality in a very small form factor, but it isn't a compromise in any way. It even offers some new technical advantages. The essential features of that microphone, of the Cmc One, are its very small size and weight. It's only less than 1.5 inches and less than 1.5 ounces. Of course, it's completely compatible with all Schoeps MK capsules and all Colette accessories. It has a high maximum sound pressure level, even 4 dB higher than that of the Cmc 6. It has a low current consumption, 2 milliamps, which is very useful when it's on a battery-powered device as a wireless transmitter. And for that application, it's also very useful that it has a wide range of acceptable phantom powering voltages. You can drive it with any voltage between 12 and 48 volts. And of course, it has the modern Schoeps RFI shield, which protects it against radio frequency interference. Well, soon after the Cmc One was introduced, it became very clear that it would be a lot more than just a specialty item. We started to get requests for sets, as we do it with our standard amplifier Cmc 6. So now we introduced these sets. They are available in mono and in stereo sets. And we have made a third set right now, and that's a particularly nice thing, which I will introduce you now. We call it the Blue Colette Set. And I will put it out of this package here. It will be available in a limited edition of 100 pieces. It's a small set for indoor film sound production. It comes with this beautifully nice small Pellicase 1015 in blue. And it contains a Super Cardioid MK41, a Cut 60 low-cut filter, and a Cmc One miniature amplifier. All of these three items come in a wonderful blue finish as our well-known CMIT shotgun. And the set also includes the B5D, our secret weapon for pop protection and also as a wind protection against mild wind. And this wonderful combination is anyway something which we recommend as a standard indoor setup for film sound using a boom. And also many film sound specialists, such as, for example, Oscar Award-winning sound recordist Simon Hayes recommends this setup. And naturally, also it's an excellent microphone for video streaming applications as well. The Blue Colette Set will be available right now at a price of $2,070. Well, that's it for the new items from Schoeps. I'd like to thank Sound Devices very much for inviting us to this excellent event. And I'm very looking forward to the further discussions. Good luck, take care of yourselves, and I hope to see you all again soon in person. Thank you.